So here it is, the handmade foot switch that I made out of parts from a dresser, some drawer pulls and some knobs up here, some wire, piece of found wood that was already carved up, and then I put some foam rubber stuck to the back, and the wires run through it and come up through. And when you press this part, it connects with a little piece of copper down here that has a wire attached to complete the circuit. Now, I have like speaker wire running up through here, hooked up to my power box. And then I have a clip cord that I made myself out of a spring and some wires and some eyelets that I cut off of tattoo needles, and there's some bolts in here and a couple of pieces of plastic to, you know, be a buffer and not complete the circuit. But I have it hooked up to my machine to show you that it works. And when I press this button over here, it runs. See? I usually don't like doing that, but it's hard to hold the camera and run the machine at the same time. So there you go. See, it runs pretty solid. So that's it. This part you usually step on with your foot anyways. So I wanted you to be able to see the design in it.